How to install taillights for an 04 to 06 Chevy Silverado. This taillight set fits a range of Chevrolet Silverado pickups from 2004 to 2006 and the 2007 Classic models. Full fitment details can be found in the description box below. For this job, you will need a Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. We also recommend a pair of gloves. First, you will need to remove the plugs and wiring from underneath the bed. Open the clips by using a flathead and lightly turning them open. Remove the plug by lightly pressing, then pulling. If you are replacing both lights, we recommend removing both plugs now. Make sure to note which plug goes into which socket. Next, open your tailgate to expose the screws holding in the light. Using the Phillips to remove the top, then bottom screw and keep them nearby. Grab the light with both hands and lightly pull to remove. Be careful as the wiring is connected to the back. Pull the wiring out carefully. Now grab the new tail light. Feed the new wiring harness back in. Fit the new light assembly into place and screw it back in tightly. Back under the truck, feed the wiring through. Clip it into place and plug it back in. Repeat this process if you are replacing the other tail light as well. If you are not replacing the wire harness, you will not have to get under the truck. Simply unscrew and remove the light. Twist each bulb off to remove the harness from the old housing. Twist each bulb back into the new housing, making sure they are in the same positions as before. Reseat the light back into the bed and screw it into place. And that's it, you're done. Brock Supply, your advantage in automotive.